in 2 hours. The plan is to cover the topics by 6th of May. Effectively, if you are seeing that by 29th we are covering the major portion, 97% of the portion. On 5th I have kept a buffer class in case we have gone we have not completed, but I will say that I have been giving 3 hours to this topic. I say that we will be doing within that time. Okay, so on 6th May will be covering the last particular topic, which is alternative investment having a weightage of only 3%. So this is how our schedule is being created, and I hope that Saturday and Sundays 8 to 11 p.m. IST is what we will be covering. Okay. Any question you have? So feel free to ask. No, not a problem. You can ask any question. Okay, so there is a question about the success ratio of the candidates who have taken coaching from the Knowledge Varsity. So I will say that this is the first time we are starting the online classes, but our offline classes, the success ratio that we have been clocking is depending on the years to years. Again, like from May, June is different, December is different, but I have been seeing that my students are able to score very high marks, and around 60 to 65% of the candidates whom I admit are passing this examination. Please note that I am saying that whom I admit. There are like lots of students who do not come and attend the classes. If I exclude them, there are lots of students who do not take the test. I will say that those students are not serious students. I will say that the students who are serious, okay, who are attending all the classes, taking the test in time, solving the problems, I would say the success rate would be around 90%. But overall my success rates have been varying, but it will be 60 to 65%. It has been varying. Okay, and I am not trying to market it from that perspective, because I know like I can exclude those students, say that they are not coming, and my success rate would improve. Okay, and in fact, like if you have any question you want to you want to ask, you want to ask some referral, I will be happy to provide you reference of my students. Okay, now in this Knowledge Varsity I have been like a trainer from the start of our institute. Okay, so we have a team of core faculty members, and we have like around 5 to 6 faculty members in overall. Okay, I have been like taking most when we started in earlier in 2009 batch, so I was taking around 60-70% of the classes. Okay, but I have been over the years I have taken almost all the topics, and I am actually the lead faculty member for these classes. Others are adjunct to this institute. Okay, I also work on the weekdays, but on the weekends I am taking these classes. So I will not be all the time trainer for this particular program, but I am working and on weekends like this, because I would say that teaching is one of the passion of mine, and also all of the faculty members who are in this institute are passionate about teaching. Because if you see working in corporate for weekdays and then coming and spending time on weekends, it's tough. It's tough because the faculty also has to prepare for that particular class. So if you are taking a 4-hour class, the faculty will have to spend around 6 hours for that particular examination. Okay, sorry, for that class. Okay, now like I have been working in IT. I am I will say my background, I have done my engineering from IIT Kharagpur, and I have done engineering in computer science and engineering, very much not related to whatever I am doing currently. So I started as a software developer, then my company was involved in software development for the investment bank. So I have got a chance to work with the most of in fact I have worked with 4 of the investment banks now. I have consulted them. Okay, now after completion of my CFA level 1, I stopped like software development. I was moved into consulting. Okay, and I completed level 2, level 3. Okay, when I completed level 3 2007, like there was a severe recession, but I have been fortunate enough to work in the equity analysis. So now I am working in the corporate function of my company, wherein I am involved in the mergers and acquisition, and I analyze the acquisition that is to be done by my company. So this is what I would say my background is. And as a part-time, I have a portfolio and I manage my portfolio for me and some of my friends who have given funds to me for management. So what has happened is, like, over the years, one of the passion was education. Because of education, I will not be able to join any bank, because there I will not be able to take out time, and also because of my passion for management, and I would see that in future I will be managing my own fund somehow, or I will be starting some of these type of companies in the future. Okay, I hope that this would be a good introduction of myself for you, to you. Okay. So thanks a lot, Mr. Aditya. I know, like, I want to share with you, if you see this. Okay, I had kept free information session online on 15, 22nd, 29th. Okay, I will say, and this is fourth one, right? So two of the times nobody came. Okay, in fact, like, today you came and one more person, Pratik, came. If you know, Pratik was my student. He was there in my level 1 student, and he wrote level 1 just now in December. Okay, and by mistake he registered for this, because I have level 2 online classes which he had to join. So by mistake he got registered in this using this link, and he came and joined. That's why he left. Okay, so, and it takes a lot of time, like, because it like takes a lot of will to come online and attend the online class. So thanks to you for attending this. I will say that, okay, my time was worth spent. Okay, so thank you, and good night to you. So we'll see you on the first class on 14th. Okay, thank you. So I'll end the training. Okay.